Hello everybody, I am traveling by train to Bergen at this particular moment, and I am going to attend this week the ICOS Nordic 2023 conference. It is absolutely an exciting trip. It's the first time I'm going to meet the ICOS community, and ICOS stands for International Carbon Observatory System. And for this trip I decided to use for the first time in an international business trip the train. So I departed quite early this morning from Uppsala, and then from Stockholm to Oslo I used the direct train, and then from Oslo to Bergen another train. And the landscape on the way from Oslo to Bergen is astonishing. Look at this. It is not possible to see very well because it is quite dark already, but the train is amazing, as you can see here. It's a very good train, fantastic place to work, to relax, and also to read. And to complete this trip I have been reading an amazing article about gravitational waves and general relativity. Absolutely poor physics, another passion. So stay tuned in for my videos this week, and I am going to post every day a very brief video summary of what is going on at the ICOS Nordic 2023. See you tomorrow, bye bye!